All right, guys, in this video, we are going to assess which platform we can use to get the best fees. Okay, so you know how I am. I always not only analyze projects and different things, but I do comparisons. And I always want to get the most bang for my buck. So in this video, guys, we are going to convert over about $2,500 from one token to another. And we're going to do that comparing three platforms. The first one is going to be the MetaMask Wallet. The second one is going to be my go-to for swapping, which is Squid Router. And the third is going to be 3D's bot here. So I'm going to explain to you why I'm doing this, guys, because right now I have about 8 bots running. Okay, all of them are out of range right now. So I want to create some new bots to get those running within a range. I do not want to mess with my USD BTCB bots because I'm cool with having BTC all the time. But this XRP, guys, I never want to get stuck holding a token long term like XRP, right? So if I check the charts here, guys, I'm cool with the price of Bitcoin going down and buying up more Bitcoin. Here's XRP. I'm not so cool with this price going down and me being stuck holding a lot of XRP. So what I'm going to do for this particular bot here, guys, it was running within range. I made about $66 on it. But since the price of XRP pulled back, and I think it dropped like to 109, but now it's gone back up to 118. Well, if it goes back down, I don't want more XRP. So I'm going to go ahead and sell off. So in this bot, I had put in about 29,975. The current valuation is 25.97, now 25.99. Now here's the thing, guys. Even though I'm going to dump this at what seems to be a loss, I'm going to immediately create a new bot and trade BTC in a range that the bot can generate profits in. So that's the whole gist of why I'm doing what I'm doing. But in the midst of doing this, I want to get the most bang for my buck, meaning I want to spend as little as possible in transaction fees. So here's what I'm going to do here, guys. So I have my wallet here. And let me go ahead and log into this. And I'm going to go to this bot 02 because there are several ways that I can swap this, right? I can do it through the MetaMask wallet. I can do it through Squid Router, which is right here. And I can do it through the bot. And in this video, we're just going to test to see which fees I get the best rate on. So here's my bot here, guys, showing the amount of XRP in my wallet, which I don't want to be stuck with. This is getting the rates directly from the BNB blockchain. So the valuation on that in US dollars is 2,600. And looking at my wallet here is showing that amount is equated to 25.93. But let's go ahead and do a swap on this, guys, and see what I would actually get in USDT for this, right? So if I max this out, so we're looking at 21.93 XRP, which has a value of this right here. So let's go ahead and log that value into my little chart here. So I have one for MetaMask, Squid Router, and 3D's bot. So this is the pre-swap value. Okay, and the post-swap value, which they propose here, would be that. Okay. So actually I did that backwards. Let me do B2 minus C2. Okay. So that gives me what the fee would be for MetaMask right now. Okay, now let's do this same thing for on Squid Router. Okay, and see what type of rate I would get on that. So we're going from XRP to USDT. So we already have USDT there on the Binance Smart Chain. So we'll do the XRP here. This is me just doing a little homework. All I got to do is do it once, and then I'll always know which way to go, right? And the amount of XRP we have, guys, again, is 2193,715. 2193,715. Okay, so on this one, this gives a current valuation of 2597.85. 2597.85, and a post swap value would be 25. No, this one here, 2587.65. 2587.65. Okay, so that would be a net fee of $10.20. All right, now guys, the thing that I need to do is just create a bot, and I'm going to create this bot in such a way to where once the bot starts, it's going to sell off my XRP at the current price. So I created this new bot here, and I'm going to use this bot for a BTC USD bot, but right now I want to convert my XRP to USDT. So right now we see the price of XRP is 1.185. So I gave this bot a max of 1.18. So once I start the bot, it's going to take whatever XRP I have and then sell that off for USDT at whatever the current price is. And once it does that, I'm not even going to execute the bot anymore. I'm just going to let the bot do my conversion for me. And then I'm going to move on to update this bot to something else. So essentially, I have nothing in my bot 009 wallet at the time. No, it's not that. It's this one here. So here are the values I'm going to transfer over. So from this bot 002, I'm going to transfer this total amount of 2597.67 to my bot 009, and I'm going to do a swap on that, and we're going to see how much USD value we get from the USDT that we receive from this bot. All right, so I'm doing this on another computer, so I'm going to do it there. I'm going to pause the video for now, and we'll come back and see how much that bot actually was able to do that conversion for. All right, I'll be back to you in just a minute. All right, guys, the verdict is in. I went ahead and did a swap with the bot, and the fees were much lower, guys. So we're going to start with this confirmation. I am going to head out here and show you my bot 009 and see here, guys, what the value is in USDT. Now let's jump over, and we're going to just use the current amount that's here on Squid Router, showing you the USD value of what it would have been before and what it would have been after. Well, when you consider what that value is now and what I actually received, we're definitely getting a better deal by using the bot. So let's go ahead and log these transactions. We'll say that's 2601.42. 26, and actually, you know, I'm gonna just do better than that, because I'm not, that's the current price. I'm gonna just go ahead and use the worst case scenario, which was this one here, guys. So let's go 2597.87 and compare it to the current amount we have here is 2592,738. 2592,738. I think that was right. Yes. And we'll see that that was just $5. Big difference, guys. Big difference. And even if you want to compare, let's say, apples to apples on what we see here on Squid Router, you can consider 2601. Look at what Squid Router would give you, and look at what we actually have in the USD valuation here. So this is a very clear indication, guys, that 3D's bot will give you a much better rate because it's trading directly on the blockchain. So whatever fees MetaMask was charging, those are wiped out. Whatever fees Squid Router was charging, those are wiped out. And you also have the full transparency of the transactions that occurred. So let me show you these images here. This is a screenshot that I did when I executed this bot. It showed me here, guys, that before the swap was done, it showed me this is how much it's going to swap. It's saying, hey, it's going to be this much XRP. It asked me to confirm if I want to swap this much for an estimated value of that. Once I saw this value, guys, I'm like, shoo, yeah, let me go ahead and confirm. So I went ahead and confirmed that, and it proceeded here with the swap, gave me my transaction ID, which we can clearly see. And I'm going to show you guys that on the blockchain as well. So you can do that easily by coming to the bot. And I'm going to click on this. We're going to look at the actions log because this gives you a full history of all of the activity that went on in the bot. And I'm going to just copy that transaction ID right there. Head over to BSC scan. Check that transaction. We'll see it just happened about 18 minutes ago. And it shows the full details here. Not a bad swap, guys. Not a bad swap. Low fees. Hey, it is what it is. And the good thing is that 3D has already implemented MEV protection in the bot as well. So nobody can come in and kind of swipe those transactions, whatever the case is. So, hey, I'm satisfied with my test here. Again, with this 3D, bruh, it is working better than I expected. I did expect it to give some better fees for this, but this is much better than any other things that I've been using before, including the Squid Router. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. And trust, this thing will soon be released as 3D continues to get all of the measures that he needs in place. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and we will holla on the next one. Peace out.